Today on Design Interiors, we meet a young newlywed couple looking to make their new house a home.
We're Talwin and Carolyn.
We found this two-story house in the heart of Louisville, Kentucky.
This house was move-in ready. Well, pretty much.
Oh my, this will be interesting.
For this renovation, we went with local labor. It's always great to work with local businesses.
It's Carolyn's family.
It's my family.
It's so nice to have Carolyn's family in the house. They are really helpful.
They almost get it right every time.
The good thing is they get paid in pizza.
I can't wait till they're here.
While we judge the sincerity in Talwin's voice, let's see what the day has in store.
My husband and I are so excited. We've been planning this master bedroom renovation for quite some time now, and I know that with our Pinterest pages, we both really have a perfect vision of what we're going for.
As for the plans for the bedroom, I have no clue. I know it's coming something out of the Pinterest pages,
Talwin gets 1 point for listening.
but that's pretty much what I know.
And with a semi-crystal clear end goal, at least we know we have several enthusiastic volunteers to help meet it.
My dad is probably the most excited to hop on these projects.
I think we'll be the judge of that.
Do I find that I enjoy completing projects for my children? No, I'd have to say no, I don't, actually. It seems to me as I'm constantly obligated to do so, but as far as actually enjoying them, I can't say I ever have.
My husband is really good with tools. I always see him, working with screwdrivers, and power tools are his specialty, I'd say. He's done a lot of renovations in India, so I think that he's really going to hit the ground running on this master bedroom renovation.
In India, we usually hire someone to get the job done, and if you hand me some tools, I'm probably gonna wreck this house. It's a good thing we're paying Carolyn's dad in pizza, hoping he gets it done and I can play along.
Would I say I'm experienced in remodeling bedrooms? Well, more or less. I mean, I really haven't done a complete remodel. However, I did change the power outlet switch cover from kind of an ivory to a tan a few years back, and that went relatively well.
It still works.
Coming up, will Talwin and his father-in-law make it out of the hardware store? It's lights out on this paint job. And is this master bedroom renovation going to the dogs? After these commercials.
I'm Carolyn here at the summer clearance event at Oliver C. Joseph Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. I hear they've got very special prices on two of their biggest sellers. The world-famous Jeep Wrangler 4x4 with 3-piece hardtop and V6. This high-style Chrysler 200 gets great gas mileage to save you money at the pump. Don't forget, 0% financing available.
The summer clearance event at Oliver C. Joseph Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Belleville.
Welcome back. Today, we meet a young newlywed couple looking to make their house a home with the help of some helpful in-laws. And now that they've picked their wood, picked their paint, and made it back to their Chrysler Pacifica, it's time to load up and get this show on the road. And while the boys get to measuring, it seems like Mr. Joseph's mind is elsewhere.
I thought there was a cake involved.
Do we share a vision in the project that we're going to do?
Honestly,
Absolutely.
no.
Uh-oh, best to get on board with the end vision now. She doesn't look like the type that forgives easily. Shall we cut? Is now the time to remind them of the age-old adage, measure twice, cut once, or in this situation, measure once, cut thrice.
Uh-oh. Did you measure it right? Just coach it. Carolyn will never know.
I'm not sure that's a bet I'm willing to take. While it's back to the drawing board for the boys, maybe some ice cream will sharpen their math
What
skills.
sort of tools do you need for a project like this? Well, first of all, you have to make sure that you've got a series of good, reliable, trustworthy tools that are accurate, that can be used and you can rely on them, such as this level. We did have a little incident with the level. You have to have some mathematical skills so you can do your calculations, and strangely enough, the vast majority of these were relatively accurate.
I like to really stay hands-on. Like, there's really no part of the project I'm not like doing with them, because I don't know, I just feel like if I'm gonna do something in my house, like I should be like involved in hammering and like learning how to do everything.
Coming up, have the boys finally found their rhythm? And the grand reveal after these commercials. Bisleri, the original water, Dr. Pia. Everyone's a winner when you tune into America's favorite game show, The Price is Right, airing Smiles since 1972. 11 a.m. weekdays. Meet Telwyn and Carolyn, and with the help of some snacks and some totally awesome assistants, are remodeling their bedroom.
I feel like we're quite in a rhythm, and we got almost nearly all of it done.
And my work has been electrifying. I was at a fast pace, had a little too much brush on the roller as I was trying to dab it inside, so the inside of the electric circuit breaker, electric sockets were painted.
That's coming out of the paycheck, a massive paycheck.
Yeah, don't do this at home.
Now that's what I call some fast painters. And now for the grand reveal.
It's finally over, and we are so happy with how it turned out.
I'm honestly surprised. It turned out better than I thought it would.
See, I knew we had good vision.
Yeah, I didn't know we could work with all this wood and turn out good.
I would say, all in all, the color is a little different than what I expected, so I might be repainting in the near future, but I won't involve you in that.
I'll be taking a nap here mostly, so I don't think the color would bother me too much.
And we want to give a big shout out to our home renovators, my mom and dad.
Yeah, it's extremely good to have them here, and if it were up to me, I think we'd have more problems than just the color.
Thanks, Dad, for helping us do everything.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to show this couple your support by hitting like and subscribe. See you next time.